So one of the reasons that I'm recording these videos is, to me, this is my journal. I look back at some of my videos from 2 years ago and I see how I struggled at that point in life. And the idea is to try and inspire a younger generation that comes after me, even if it's just a guy 1 year younger than I am, and I'm 23 now, that sees, well, they are the guys that work very, very hard, and I don't want them to think it's all luck. And yes, it is about the time and the place and the people. You have to kind of be at the right time at the right place with the right people, but your lottery ticket will come at your time with the people you're around. But it takes hard work, and it does take working your ass off. And I don't want anyone to say this was luck. That's why I'm showing my journey all through, the highs and the lows, the real stuff that's going on, not just where I'm winning or what's fake. But I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm rooting for you as well.